morning. I'm Greg Farrell, CEO and President of Farrell Wealth. It's a wealth management firm here in Valparaiso, Indiana, and we help clients nationwide, without a doubt, through LPL Financial as our broker-dealer. And I just want to welcome you. Good morning, and welcome to Money Matters with Greg vlog here that we do weekly, and really basically kind of show you what's going on in the markets, what we're talking about as far as investments and research. Today is September 20th. Happy Yom Kippur to all those that celebrate it. It started yesterday. And hope you have a great week. We're pleased to bring you this vlog to really discuss some of the things we're seeing in the economy, in the markets, the investment world, and beyond. Really a financial literacy vlog as much as we can. We hope that you can use the information, become a talented and successful investor. And for more information, check out our website, www.farrellwealth.com, on Twitter @FarrellWealth, and for more research that we follow, and you certainly should too, it's @LPL Research. Global risk, recently, appetite has increased. Investors around the world are really diving back into the risk. The MSCI All World Index has climbed 7 of the last 8 days. Really reflects a recovery in international stocks after emerging markets, currency turmoil, and trade tensions weighed down global markets. Increased global optimism has really helped the Dow. That Dow tracks shares that are larger and multinational U.S. companies to within 1% of the closing price reached in January. 10-year yield surged higher. Higher risk appetite really has boosted longer-term yields as investors pivot towards stocks from government bonds, leading really to lower treasury prices and higher yields. The 10-year yield has closed above 3%, 3 straight days for just the second time since 2011. 10-year yield is also within 3 basis points across in its 7-year closing high. This was reached in May. I really expect the 10-year yield to finish in between 275, 3.25. So long-term yields may have limited short upside from these levels. Peeling back the onion, really on the developed foreign equity valuations. On the surface, MSCI, the EFI index, valuations look compelling. The index is trading at a 20% discount to its average forward PE ratio based on data back from 1995, according to FactSet. But Japan is driving this discount with the MSCI Japan index trading at more than 40% discount to its 23-year average, while Europe really trades at a slight premium. So continue to believe that Japan offers a better investment opportunity than Europe, with Abe's re-election late night coming, lending further support. This economic growth is in both regions really going to continue to favor U.S. and emerging market equities over developed foreign, as we've noted in multiple times on our shows and certainly vlogs. China cut tariff rates. China plans to cut tariff rates with the majority of its trading partners as soon as next month, as really previously pledged. This month, coupled with increases in foreign ownership of financial firms in China, highlights of some areas that really are going to compromise in the U.S.-China talks, indicates a better tone for negotiations, which is great and better than what many reports suggest. In other news, Canadian trade officials today are coming in ahead of the upcoming deadline to secure NAFTA 2.0 in time for Mexico's ongoing president to sign it by the end of the month or the first week of October. OECD lowers global growth projections. Today, the Organization of Economic Cooperation and Development, or OECD, lowered its global growth forecast to 3.7% through the end of 2019. This is down from its March projection of 3.9%. So the OECD highlighted increasing downside risk in global economy and explaining its lowered forecast, really including a narrowing growth, major global economies of higher uncertainty around monetary policy, normalization, and trade restrictions. So right now, Main Street and Wall Street look positive. It looks like a positive outlook. There are concerns about tariffs, as we've been talking about. Accelerating inflation continue to be watched, but for the most part, that's our outlook on the U.S. economy and outlook on the overall stock market. So again, Greg Farrell, CEO and President of Farrell Wealth. We're a wealth management firm located here in Valparaiso, Indiana. Please reach out. I'd love to be able to hear from you. Greg@farrellwealth.com is my email. Would love to be able to get some ideas and hear your thoughts on this vlog and many others. Looking forward to bring this to you at least weekly. Hopefully, maybe even every other day. We'll see how this goes. But thanks for tuning in. Really appreciate it, and look forward to many, many more. Have a great week.